All right, guys, last one. You were supposed to write and balance the following reaction. All right, here's why nomenclature is super important to know when it comes to writing reactions. Iron 2 chloride. Well, because it's iron 2, it means Fe positive 2. Chloride means Cl with a -1 charge. You're going to need, let me get the red pen out because that way you could see better. You're going to need 2 chlorides for every 1 iron because it's positive 2, -1. So iron 2 chloride is FeCl2. Then it says reacts with. Well, the only thing that the phrase reacts with can be is a plus sign. Sodium phosphate is the next compound. Sodium is Na positive 1. Phosphate, the polyatomic ion, is PO4 -3. That's why you got to be fluent in this stuff. Sodium has a positive 1 charge. Phosphate is -3. You're going to need 3 sodium ions for every 1 phosphate ion so you can have a neutral compound. So Na subscript 3 PO4. Then it goes on to say to form. That's your arrow, of course. And I've run out of room, but that's okay. I'm just going to write at the bottom. Iron 2 phosphate. Iron 2 is Fe positive 2. Phosphate is PO4 -3. You're going to have to finagle some work here for both. If this is 2 and that's 3, you're going to have to come up with a common multiple, which is 6. You're going to need a 3 in front of the iron and a 2 in front of the phosphate. So you have positive 6, -6. So your formula is now going to be written as Fe3 and in parentheses PO4 taken twice. And sodium chloride, everybody knows that, NaCl. There we go. All right, so now we're going to continue with balancing the equation just like we have been doing with the other 2 examples. So we have iron, we have chlorine, we have sodium, we have phosphorus, we have oxygen. And on the other side, same thing. And you should definitely try these on your own to see how you do. You're going to get some practice problems given to you as well so you could see how you do with those reactions. All right, on the reactant side, 1 iron, 2 chlorines, 3 sodiums, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygen. On the product side, 3 iron, 1 chlorine, 1 sodium, 2 phosphorus, and oxygen. We just have to deal with 1 on each side, a source here and a source there. 4 and 2 is 8. Okay, so let's try balancing the iron first. If this is 3, we'll make this 3. 3 iron, chlorine gets affected, 6, and we're all set. Since there's 6 chlorines here, it would be ideal to have 6 chlorines here. On the product side, put a 6 in front of the sodium chloride, 6 chlorine, 6 sodium. Phosphorus is 2, phosphorus is 1. We can make it 2 on this side as well. By doing so, the sodium becomes a 6, the phosphorus becomes a 2, and the oxygen, 4 times 2 is 8. This is the only way to balance a reaction, my way. So I hope you all follow through. It's better than randomly picking coefficients, which is what a lot of other teachers show their kids, and seeing where the you-know-what lays. You don't want to do that. You don't want to waste time. This is efficient, it's methodical, and you can check your work and come up with a correct equation each time. All right, we're done with balancing equations. You should all know how to do that now.